Let's look and see. Wow! This was making that bloop, bloop, bloop sound. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you some clues. It's an animal that lives in the water. It has a tail and fins and a face that goes bloop, bloop. Can you guess what's inside the box?
Can I guess, Miss Appleberry?
I hear one of my students. It's JJ.
Hey, I think I know what's in the melon learning box.
You do? What do you think is inside?
I think it's a fish.
Let's see if you're right, JJ. It is a fish.